Alright guys, welcome to another training video. You needed help? So I'm here to help you. So what we're going to work on right now is the broadcast. I'm going to show you how to use this. Now, like everything else in the system, it's extremely simple, but you can go very, very deep with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So very basic email sending system right here from the get-go. You want to set your from name and your address is going to be coming from. Okay. Also be sure to check out the SPF video that's provided in the original training area as well. So with that being said, how this works is almost the same exact way as the lead system. Okay, so I can go right here, and if I want to send just a basic email to everybody that has the tag SourceWave, and that's how we segment our users, we can do that. Now we can do a lot of other cool things with advanced settings, just like in the leads area. We can have it say, all right, we want everybody that has the tag SourceWave but does not have the tag Alex Becker. Okay, so I don't want people from this list getting the same email. So we can do that, and you can see how it reduces the amount of people in there. So it subtracts 5,000 people that have that specific tag, and we can just go as deep as we want. We can do anybody that has this tag. For example, we do anybody who has a SourceWave tag but has bought this product right here. Add that right there, and you can see, it subtracts it from there. So I can go and target people that haven't bought a product. I can target people that haven't seen a certain page, target people that have been on the list for a certain amount of time. It just goes on and on and on and on and on. So I'm just going to send a basic email right here, and we're going to go to email sequence. So what you can do right here is you can create a new email. You can use a template. Use a template. You can simply go right here. You can see all the emails you previously sent. You can select one of them, and boom, it's there. You can go and edit the template, change the title, the subject of the email, the text of the email. It's all here for you to use. Pretty simple. Now, if you need any help other than this about the email builder, it's very simple. Just drag and drop. You can put your text right here, write it all up and stuff like that. You can go and change. You can put an image right there. You can go select your image, just click it, add the image to it. And you can do just about anything. Now, if you want to control the styles, how the email looks and everything, we can go right here to change the overall style of the email. We can change it to whatever we want to do. And finally, the last thing you might get confused with is the image. You can go add an image right here. I'm just going to go grab an image that we usually use. Let's just go and grab that image. You see it loads up. You can change the link right there if you want. And then go and change the size of our image. We go right here to block style, and we can just go like that. So we can change it as much as we want. We can change the padding for around the image. Everything is super customizable, as you can see. We can change the body color of the email. It's all here, okay? Anything you need in an email sender to send simple emails is there. And if you want to make it beautiful and pretty and stuff, there's all the tools you need to do that as well. You can add bigger images and whatever you need to do, okay? Fairly simple. So I'm going to cancel, not going to save that. And that's really all there is to it. We can create a new email, and it's essentially the same exact thing. Just make sure you have your unsubscribe, your abuse link right here in your address. You can go and actually add these by going right here and going to links, and you can go and add any of these things right here. You can add them in any way you want. I like this. This comes loaded in every template because it's very subtle and very low there, but I know some people want a custom unsubscribe and abuse button. Now, you need to understand also with the report abuse button, the cool thing about this is it's not going to count as a complaint against your account. We will simply see it and see that somebody's complaining, but this prevents people from actually complaining and damaging your account. So keep that in mind. Now, that's how that all works. This is how the email center works. At this point in time, all we do is click send after naming the broadcast so we can find it in stats later. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple. Now, but let's imagine right here, I want to go and I want to see the stats on the broadcast I just sent. So we can go right here, we can view stats, and I'll just look at this email right here. Okay, you can see the stats, everybody opened. I can see exactly how much this email generated me, what people have bought, everything like that. And I can go through and see who clicked this email, make a segment for that. I can go back and see who complained. I can go back and see exactly how much I earned per click, per open, per everything. And I wasn't even pitching anything in this email. So that's really cool. It shows like, hey, if I send like value content out, people still are like buying stuff through that. So I can go right here. Maybe I want to mail to unopened people, move around. And this just gives me more ways to segment my list and mail people and talk and have different conversations with the type of customers that I've had based on the behavior that they've interacted with me with. That's a lot of big words. But I can basically talk to people based on what they've done and have a real conversation with them instead of sending everybody the exact same thing. And that's really the coolest thing on top of the LTV tracking instead of Market Hero, I think. So if you have any more questions, be sure to hit up our super handy support right here. They'll be able to answer everything for you. And that's how the broadcast system works. It's really simple, really easy to use. Again, just recap it real quick. To send new broadcast, you just click new broadcast. If you want to see your stats or what's going on with your broadcast right now, you just click here and you can see the stats, the names, everything like that. So fairly simple. That's all there is to it. And I'll catch you in the next training video.